Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the world of interior styles that transform houses into homes. Today, we're embarking on a journey through 5 distinct design philosophies that are capturing hearts and spaces around the world. Each style has its own unique charm, and as we explore them, imagine how they might breathe new life into your living spaces. Are you ready to discover which style resonates with your personal aesthetic? Let's begin our design adventure. Before we dive into our design journey, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you inspiring content about the world of interior design. Now, let's explore these captivating styles together. Picture a space where every object has a purpose, where clean lines and open areas allow your mind to breathe. This is the essence of minimalist design. In a minimalist home, imagine walls in crisp whites or soothing neutrals, furniture with sleek silhouettes, and carefully curated decor that speaks volumes through its simplicity. Each item becomes a focal point, appreciated for its form and function. People are often drawn to minimalism for its ability to create a sense of calm and order in our chaotic world. It's a style that allows you to focus on what truly matters, eliminating distractions and visual noise. Those who embrace minimalism often find it helps reduce stress and increase productivity in their daily lives. Why might you choose minimalism? Perhaps you're seeking a sense of calm in a chaotic world, or you appreciate the beauty of less is more. Minimalism can make your space feel larger, brighter, and more organized. It's a style that encourages mindful living, where you surround yourself only with things that truly matter. While some may find it challenging to part with belongings or worry about the space feeling cold, remember that minimalism is about intentionality. Each piece you choose can warm up the space, telling your story through carefully selected, meaningful items. Now, let's step into a world of vibrant colors, rich textures, and eclectic treasures. Welcome to Bohemian style, where self-expression reigns supreme. Envision a living room with jewel-toned velvet sofas, layered Persian rugs, and walls adorned with tapestries and artwork from around the globe. Plants cascade from macrame hangers, and every corner tells a story of adventures and cherished memories. Bohemian style attracts those who value personal expression and creativity above all. It's perfect for individuals who love to surround themselves with items that tell stories of their travels, experiences, and passions. This style offers the freedom to mix and match, creating a space that evolves with you over time. Bohemian style beckons those with a free spirit and a love for the unconventional. It's perfect if you enjoy collecting unique pieces, mixing patterns, and creating spaces that evolve with your experiences. This style celebrates individuality and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for entertaining or cozy nights in. Unlike the strict simplicity of minimalism, Bohemian style embraces abundance and layering. It's ideal for those who find joy in collecting and displaying diverse objects, creating a rich, personalized environment. While some might find the abundance of colors and textures overwhelming, remember that Bohemian style is all about personal expression. There's no right way to do it, allowing you the freedom to create a space that's uniquely you. Imagine exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and the warm glow of Edison bulbs. Welcome to industrial style, where raw beauty meets functional design. Picture high ceilings with visible ductwork, concrete floors softened by area rugs, and repurposed factory equipment transformed into unique furniture pieces. It's a style that honors the bones of a space and finds beauty in utility. Industrial style appeals to those who appreciate authenticity and the beauty of imperfection. It's particularly attractive to urban dwellers or those who admire city loft aesthetics. This style allows you to celebrate the bones of your space, turning structural elements into features rather than hiding them. Industrial style appeals to those who appreciate history, craftsmanship, and a touch of urban edge. It's ideal if you love open floor plans, are drawn to the character of old buildings, or simply enjoy the honesty of materials left in their natural state. This style can make even the most ordinary spaces feel like trendy lofts. Compared to the softness of Bohemian or modern farmhouse styles, industrial embraces a certain edginess. It's perfect for those who prefer a more masculine or streamlined look, without the strict minimalism of purely contemporary designs. While some may worry about the style feeling cold or unfinished, remember that industrial spaces can be softened with textiles, plants, and personal touches, creating a perfect balance of hard and soft elements. Step into a space where rustic charm meets contemporary comfort. This is modern farmhouse style, a perfect blend of old and new. Envision shiplap walls in warm whites, reclaimed wood beams, and a large farmhouse sink complemented by sleek, modern appliances. Comfortable sofas invite you to sink in, while vintage finds add character and tell stories of times past. Modern farmhouse style resonates with those seeking a perfect balance between cozy traditionalism and clean modernity. It's especially appealing to people who want to create a warm, inviting home that still feels fresh and current. This style allows you to incorporate family heirlooms and vintage finds without your space feeling outdated. Modern farmhouse style is perfect for those who love the idea of a country retreat but don't want to sacrifice modern conveniences. It's cozy yet fresh, nostalgic yet current. This style creates welcoming spaces perfect for family gatherings and quiet evenings alike. Unlike the urbanity of industrial style or the exuberance of Bohemian, modern farmhouse offers a sense of rural simplicity and comfort, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain in a relaxed setting. Some may find balancing rustic and modern elements challenging, but remember, the beauty of modern farmhouse lies in its flexibility. You can lean more traditional or more contemporary, creating a space that feels both timeless and of the moment. Now, let's step into the glamorous world of Art Deco, where luxury meets geometric precision. Picture bold, sweeping curves paired with sharp angles. Envision walls in rich, deep colors, furniture in luxurious velvets and leathers, and metallic accents that catch the light. Symmetrical patterns and statement pieces transform your space into a testament to elegance and sophistication. Art Deco captivates those who have a flair for drama and aren't afraid to make bold design statements. It's perfect for individuals who want their home to feel special and elevated, like a luxury hotel or a set from a glamorous film. This style allows you to create a space that feels both nostalgic and timelessly chic. Art Deco appeals to those who love a touch of drama and aren't afraid to make bold design choices. It's perfect if you appreciate the aesthetics of the Roaring '20s and want to infuse your home with a sense of timeless glamour. This style turns everyday life into a grand affair. In contrast to the rustic elements of modern farmhouse or the minimalist approach, Art Deco embraces ornamentation and luxury. It's ideal for those who want to infuse their daily life with a touch of glamour and sophistication. While some might worry about it being too opulent for daily living, remember that Art Deco can be adapted to suit your needs. You can incorporate elements of the style without fully committing to its most extravagant expressions, creating a space that's luxurious yet livable. As we conclude our journey through these 5 distinct design styles, take a moment to reflect on which elements resonated with you. Perhaps you were drawn to the serenity of minimalism, the free-spirited nature of Bohemian, the raw honesty of industrial, the cozy comfort of modern farmhouse, or the glamorous allure of Art Deco. As you reflect on these styles, consider which elements resonate most with your personality and lifestyle. Do you crave the serenity of minimalism, the creativity of Bohemian, the authenticity of industrial, the comfort of modern farmhouse, or the glamour of Art Deco? Or perhaps a combination of these speaks to you? Remember, your home is a reflection of you. Whether you choose to fully embrace one of these styles or blend elements from several, the most important thing is that your space feels authentically yours and brings you joy every day. We hope this tour of design styles has inspired you to dream, to explore, and to create spaces that truly speak to your heart. If you've enjoyed this journey, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Until next time, may your home be a beautiful expression of your unique style. Happy designing!